We are excited because now we have arrived at Sunway Lagoon theme park. And also hello guys, a very good morning from Malaysia. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Travel Kida. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. I'm wishing you a very good morning, but this was not a good morning for us because there was an electricity shortage within the hotel, and that to be a surprise, we didn't have the electricity like for a good amount of hours, like for at least 2 to 3 hours.
Yeah.
You were not able to sleep, right? So that was not expected at all from at least from Hilton. Okay, but whatever happened. Nevertheless, we are excited because now we have arrived at Sunway Lagoon theme park, and it was like 19 kilometers from our hotel, and we took a grab taxi again because it's not that sophisticated in terms of transportation when we were in Singapore, so we have to manage through the taxi.
Yes.
And it costed us around 20 Malaysian ringgits. Before that, like before when we were looking in the morning hours, like approximately at 9:30, it was showing 40 ringgit. So make sure if there are too much traffic, try to avoid the taxi because it is going to take much more time than the usual one. And we have around 6 parks to cover, and then we have a time restriction as well, which is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. But in our ticket we have the Quack Express, and also there are 6 different parks, and also admission to the night park. Not sure if it is going to open today or not. Okay, so we have entered into the park, and basically we have the redemption tickets, we have the Quack Express, and also the admission ticket on our wristbands. Wildlife is that side? That side, right side. Okay, let's go to wildlife. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. White tiger and a huge one. ये तो बहुत छोटे हैं अभी, बहुत छोटे हैं, बेबी बेयर्स हैं।
Each individual markings are different from each other, just like a human fingerprint.
What are these birds called? Parrots or
They are rainbow lorikeet.
rainbow?
Lorikeet.
Lorikeet.
They're from Australia. Yeah.
Ah, okay. And what they're actually trying to feed?
So they are trying to eat, drink milk and honey.
Oh, okay.
Combination of honey and milk.
Oh, nice.
So they like honey and milk.
Honey and milk. Thank you.
Welcome.
They have been injected. And maybe baby lion, not a grown lion. Such different noises they are making. These are called gibbons. So we are making our way to the water park because the weather is good right now. It's clear, it's sunny, and it's the best way to beat the heat, isn't it? Hey, let's add some colors to the life. See, I'm looking like a satrangi. So we have entered into the water park, and these are the 4 different slides here, and then we have the beach, the surfing beach. So this is the entire Sunway Lagoon city. They have the of course the theme park, the hotels, the resorts, and a medical center, and there are a lot other things as well within the Sunway Lagoon Sunway Lagoon city. So it's similar kind of I would say that it's similar to Sentosa Island, which we visited in Singapore. Let's board the Lagoon Express. Come on, go inside, my lady. This is the train where they have no specific stations. You can board at any point of time. Woo! So they do also have the Sunway University, and we have approached the Lost Lagoon Park. See, for every ride you have to climb the stairs. For every adventure you need to do the hard work, right? Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Let's proceed.
Girl, you have to. Okay. Are you okay?
Okay.
Are you okay? Okay.
Hey, it's good. Nice. Amazing!
Thank you for doing us.
Thank you.
We shall meet again in case if there are 4 people required.
Okay.
Hello. Legs. Yeah, firmly. Just lie down, lie down. Yes. Okay. Come on. 3, 2, 1. And vanish. Woo! Woo! There she goes. Did the Jungle Fury and we did the Monsoon 360. It was fun.
Yes.
So we had to remove the jewelry and the other loose items, of course. And of course the cameras are not allowed. So now we are going to make it to Mary Slides. And on the left is Kubarango. Not sure if this is Kubarango or Jungle Fury, but whatever it is, it was amazing. And even with this slide, Monsoon 360 degree. Let's proceed. Okay. Go in front.
Push.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Let's burn some fat. Woo! Woo! Okay, now we are going to cover the Marmari Slides and Explorers Trail. This was a short one, but it was okay. But a very childish ride, to be honest. But it's the best way to beat the heat, right? And the good thing is wait time is 0 minutes. Okay, okay. Ooh, bello. Here we go. Smooth and clean. And we go into the darkness. Woo! This is Boa. 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 Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, similar slides, but this is going to be a long one. Is it going to be a long one? It is going to be fast. Oh, love it.
Bye. Hello.
I'm going to be sitting here. Vuvuzela, the world's largest water ride entrance. Are you sure? Okay, so that was a great ride at Vuvuzela. So Vuvuzela was a greatest ride, I think, in the entire park. And now Parnika has went for this Congo challenge. And these are the sliders. So basically you have to come individually. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. अच्छा Okay. Half open now. Hey, what's that?
Beach.
Surf beach. Oh my god. Woohoo! So that's a man-made beach they have recreated at Sunway Lagoon. Oh wow, it looks so good. Okay, so right now it's 4:15 p.m. and at 4:30 a wave pool will happen. So basically there's going to be an artificial wave which will be created. Oh, Prabhu wave is coming. Woo! Okay, another wave. Another wave. Here it comes. Partika lift. So we now got to know the pattern. After 2 minutes they're sending a wave. It was good, yeah. It's really good. Maza aa raha hai? Last wave before we leave the bottom, the surf beach pool. Woo! ऐसे बोला नहीं जा रहा, it was surf pool. Amazing! Big thank you to Sunway Lagoon theme park for an amazing evening. I would say do whatever you can in this park because there are a lot of activities in this park, but we came specifically for the water waves, water shows, or whatever it was, water fun activities, water rides. It was truly amazing, and of course I would say that even the rest of the park would be amazing too. So we could enjoy at the maximum. We did enjoy, right?
Yes,
We did?
whole day was amazing.
It was an amazing evening spent here. So a very big thank you to Sunway Lagoon, and also thank you guys for watching this vlog. And in case if you really like it, please hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to it. Keep loving, keep supporting. This is Travel Kira signing off. Bye bye.